Okay, now let's look at another verse which Quran mentions regarding the prayer, and this is as eraser of sins. So the Quran says, وَأَقِيمِ الصَّلَاةَ طَرَفَ النَّهَارِ وَزُلَفًا مِنَ اللَّيْلِ إِنَّ الْحَسَنَاتِ يُذْهِبْنَ السَّيِّئَاتِ ذَلِكَ ذِكْرَى لِلذَّاكِرِينَ, which means, and be diligent in your prayer at both ends of the day and in a portion of the night too. No doubt, good deeds make amends for sins. This is a reminder for those who benefit from reminders. So, in other words, what the Quran is telling us that if we adhere to the prayer, Aqim Salat, which means that you adhere to the prayer at both ends of the day, of course, referring to the Fajr prayer and the end prayer, which is the night prayer, and in the portion of the night too, which is the Tahajjud prayer that we just referred to. So it's like telling us that if you are adherent to the prayer, which is mandatory, and of course the Tahajjud prayer, which is optional. And the Quran says that this prayer is going to erase some of the sins that you have in your account, and it will become a substitute. And instead of having those bad deeds being written in your account, you will have good deeds to do so. So remember, this is something that we always should keep in mind that at times our minor sins are forgiven by just offering the prayer. So major sins are not going to be forgiven unless we seek forgiveness from them, especially, and also atone for them. And if we have been bad to someone, then we have to, make amends for that. But other than that, simply by praying, some of the bad deeds that we might have done in the past, they will be erased from our account. So the prayer is something that also attaches you to God in this way, and the sins that you have done in the past, the minor ones especially, they are going to be forgiven by the Almighty, because as the verse says, in al hasanat yuzhibna sayyat, that such good deeds they actually uh, erase your sins or make amends for sins, and zalika zikra lizakirin, which means this is a reminder for those who benefit from reminders.